3 farmers groups in Tingras sell 50 tons of mungbean seed worth P3.4 million. After successfully marketing their 50 tons of mungbean seeds harvest worth Php3.4 million to the Nutridense Foods Manufacturing Corporation, the 3 farmers group of Tingras Ilocos Norte has struck it rich again. On May 24, 2022, a market-matching activity was held in Brgy, Barong and Lanas. Members of the CSDCS, United Barong Kalawan, and Lanas Timpuyog Farmers Associations have disposed of their mungbean seeds at a price of P68 per kilo, with an additional 50 tons of seeds to be accommodated by the Nutridense on May 28, 2022, with assistance from Mr. Mark Ariel Aggressor, the project leader of the DA's CPAR or Community Participatory Action Research, which was established in Tingras town 3 years ago. Around 167 farmers from the previous 25 farmer cooperators in the project sustaining productivity and profitability of rice-based farming communities have benefited. The market-matching activity is a reaction of DA to one of the key concerns of farmer cooperators about the need for a sustainable market for their produce, which is addressed through the promotion of improved production technologies. Mr. Virgilio Batoon, one of the research project's farmer cooperators, expressed his gratitude for the CPAR's marketing component, which has enabled them to not only learn new technologies in mungbean production, but also to become better agripreneurs because of their increased capacity to do business with a large company like Nutridense. Following the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding between the Farmers Association, Nutridense, and the DA, the farmer cooperators had direct access to the market for their mungbean goods, thanks to the DA's Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Division's advice. Mr. Marcial Root, another farmer cooperator, is grateful for the opportunity that the project has provided them, noting that it has improved not only their productivity and income, but also their ability to accept and adopt the technologies that they have learned, encouraging them to share these technologies with other farmers in the area. Mr. Aggressor, as the principal researcher of this study, shared his observations as well as some highlights from the development research undertaken in the area, noting the efficiency of the techniques being used to further encourage farmers to adopt the technology advised by the DA. Mr. Aggressor stated that marketing played a critical role in encouraging farmers to support the project based on the participatory rural appraisal that the DA research group conducted prior to the start of the project to determine the problems and opportunities faced by farmers and how they were able to address them, including input and production technologies. Mr. Aggressor went on to say that training and hands-on demonstrations were important in maintaining farmers' support and adoption of the DA's technologies, as well as active support from both the provincial and municipal local government units, the Bureau of Plant and Industry, and the Regional Crop Protection Center, particularly in seed production and mungbean pest management. Noting some of the major changes in farmers' production practices in terms of applying production technologies such as seeding rate, fertilizer application, and integrated pest management, the DA is planning to upscale the project through the research group in such a way that expansion of the area is being considered not only for commercial production but also for strengthening the seed production and management system, whereby other municipalities such as Vietnam are participating. Apart from mungbean, Mr. Aggressor is also considering venturing into camote and peanut production, using the same concept as they did in mungbean production, in order to maximize the benefit of the research being conducted by DA through the Research Division, which aims to improve farmer productivity through research and development.